Namaste. I am JVN Indu from the Department of Science and Technology. In previous session, as I had discussed introduction of keyboard, today I will discuss about wired keyboard and wireless keyboard. So let's start. Firstly, we see the wired keyboard. A wired keyboard means there is a wire connecting our keyboard to our computer. At the end of the wire is a USB plug that goes into a USB port on our computer. Wired keyboards are extremely reliable. The one drawback to having a wired keyboard is that our distance is limited between the keyboard and our computer. We can only have our keyboard as far from our desktop or laptop as the wire length. Also, wires can clutter our desktop. Next is wireless keyboard. A wireless keyboard is a computer keyboard that allows the user to communicate with computers, tablets, or laptops with the help of radio frequency, infrared, or Bluetooth technology. Wireless keyboards based on infrared technology use light waves to transmit signals to other infrared enabled devices. But in case of radio frequency technology, a wireless keyboard communicates using signals which range from 27 MHz to up to 2.4 GHz. Most wireless keyboards today work on 2.4 GHz radio frequency. Bluetooth is another technology that is being widely used by wireless keyboards. These devices connect and communicate to their parent device via the Bluetooth protocol. A wireless keyboard can be connected using RF technology with the help of two parts, a transmitter and a receiver. With radio transmitter is inside the wireless keyboard, the radio receiver plugs into a keyboard port or USB port. Once the receiver and transmitter are plugged in, the computer recognizes the keyboard. So today I discussed about wired keyboard and wireless keyboard. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.